Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lily Ogini, and in today's video I'll be creating the simple, amazing, soft pinkish looks. And I'm starting out with a spoolie brush. I'm going to brush my brows, comb them upward as you can see me do. And so I'm going in with this well sharpened brow pencil rather, and I'm going to draw my brows like this, like so, gentle with it. Okay, I had to forward it for the sake of the time. I don't want the video to be too long, so I had no choice but to forward it. I'm sorry about this. And so you keep giving it strokes, short strokes, beg your pardon. And so I'm going to use my mascara to brush my brows to comb them out. Mascara, yes, actual mascara. So if you're not satisfied with the shade, you can go in again with your mascara and then brush the brows gently. But in whatever you do around them, make sure the brows are not dark all through from the inner corner to the outer corner. It's gonna make it look hard and too boxy. You're not gonna love them. So you can see that my outer corners are darker than the inner corner of my brows. So that is it. And then I'm going in with this flat brush and I'm taking concealer from the Elegant Pro concealer. I just took a little bit, less is much, okay? Less is more. I just took a little bit of concealer and then I'm going to apply it like so, gently. Okay, once you make it through the first line, you're good to go. So if you're not satisfied, you can take in more concealer rather than fetch it once. It's going to give you problem to work with. So I am applying it like so. So I'm going in with my brush here, this brush, to blend in all the excesses, and then use it to apply on my eyelid, just to give my shadows something to base on, and like so. And then I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow, and I'm using this pinkish shades here just to apply light pink from the Kiss Beauty palette, and I'm using my brush to apply it all around my lid. And I'm going to go in with my finger and I'm deep from the Kiss Beauty palette and dab it finger and just apply it all around my lid, and also like so. After this, I'm going to go in with the brush and just take a little from the same shades and just dust it out. I use it to apply, just to blend between the crease and the lids, to just give it a neat, clean, gentle look. And I'm going in with my eyeliner, and this one is a liquid one. Please be careful. If you don't get it right once, it's gonna give you a problem. So just as you can see me doing, you don't have to blink, you don't have to be in a hurry. Just take some minutes and you are good to go. As you can see, I had to forward the other part because I'm in a hurry for the sake of the video. So I'm going to go in with mascara to brush my own lashes out, comb them out, because if you don't comb your own lashes out, applying forces is going to be a big struggle. So you can see, because I've combed it out, applying forces becomes a lot easy for me. I'm not going to forward this other side. I don't want it to be too magical. I want you to see that also struggle. So just like this, as if you want to drop it and then adjust it, and then you are good to go. Okay, so I'm going to use this white baby wipes, and clean up all the products of my face. And for the sake of this video, I don't usually moisturize my skin. I have said that 1,000 times, but for the sake of this video, I have to apply some moisturizer on my face like so. And I'm going in with this primer here from Maybelline, and then apply all around my face, as you can see. And I'm going in with my powder, yes, my face powder, to set my entire face. That is after using a primer. And I'm going in with my foundation, and this one is from the Zikel Cosmetics. I'm going to take a little and use it to apply on my upper brows, just to clean them up and make them look neat. If you use a concealer, it's okay, but it's going to give you some minutes of blending to be done. But if you're using a foundation, it's just going to blend easily. I'm going in with this brush here from F Cosmetics. I'm going to blend my foundation evenly. I'm going to link everything in the description box area. The description, so do not forget to check the description box for products used in this video. I'm going to go in with the Elegant Pro Concealer. It's highly recommended because it's affordable and also really good. So, and just like so, highlight my face with it, the concealer, and I'm going to blend it out with a blending sponge. All you have to do is dab the blending sponge a little bit, not wet, just something like cold, a little. I'm done with that. I'm going to go in with my powder, yes, my face powder, and use it to set that area of my face. This is to avoid my face getting creased after using a setting powder. So I'm going to use this setting powder from Classic Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply all over. Use this contour palette from Classic Cosmetics. I am going to contour my face. You can see. Like so. And around my nose, I have to like get another brush that allows me to control around that area. I'm blending my setting powder and I'm using a blending sponge. Yeah, some people be like, why? Okay, sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. As you can see, I'm using my MAC powder to set my entire face, blend everything, the contour, the setting powder, everything to blend. And I'm going in with this pink lipstick, and I'm going to define my lips like this. I'm going to go in with another lipstick. I hardly do blushes. But for the sake of this video, I have to use a blush. I don't usually do it. And I'm going in with my highlighter from the Romantic Bed Cosmetics, and I'm going to highlight my face with it, so you can see. I'm going in with my lip gloss to apply on the lips. I find out that the lips were too hard, too bold, too dry, so I just applied a little bit of it on my lips. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave me a comment where you think I did or didn't get it right, and of course what your favorite part was creating this look, and if you think I nailed it or not. Don't forget to leave your opinion on the comment section, and don't forget to share me out. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this one. I will see you in my next one. Bye.